Artificial intelligence, AI, is transforming agriculture by enhancing productivity, sustainability, and efficiency. Farmers now leverage AI technologies to analyze vast amounts of data from sensors, drones, and satellites. These insights optimize planting, irrigation, and harvesting, leading to higher yields and reduced resource wastage. AI-driven automation addresses labor shortages and improves operational precision, while predictive analytics forecast weather patterns and crop health, enabling proactive management. As AI continues to evolve, it promises to revolutionize farming practices, ensuring food security and environmental conservation. This video explores the myriad ways AI is reshaping the future of agriculture and the challenges ahead. Today, we will talk about how AI is revolutionizing agriculture, the future of farming, so make sure to watch the full video. 1. Introduction: the rise of AI in agriculture. Artificial intelligence, AI, is transforming industries worldwide, and agriculture is no exception. The integration of AI in farming practices promises to revolutionize how food is produced, processed, and distributed. By leveraging data-driven insights and advanced technologies, farmers can achieve higher productivity, reduce costs, and enhance sustainability. This introduction explores the current landscape of AI in agriculture and sets the stage for understanding its profound impact on the future of farming. 2. Precision farming, optimizing crop yields. Precision farming, powered by AI, allows farmers to manage their fields with unprecedented accuracy. Utilizing satellite imagery, GPS technology, and IoT devices, AI systems analyze data to provide actionable insights on soil conditions, crop health, and weather patterns. This enables farmers to apply water, fertilizers, and pesticides more efficiently, ensuring optimal crop growth and yield. Precision farming not only maximizes productivity, but also minimizes resource wastage and environmental impact. 3. Predictive analytics, forecasting weather and crop health. Predictive analytics in agriculture harnesses the power of AI to forecast weather conditions and monitor crop health. By analyzing historical data and real-time information from sensors, AI models can predict weather events such as droughts, floods, and frost. These insights help farmers make informed decisions about planting, irrigation, and harvesting. Additionally, AI-driven predictive analytics can detect early signs of pest infestations and diseases, enabling timely interventions to protect crops and secure yields. 4. Robotics and automation, enhancing farm efficiency. Robotics and automation are at the forefront of the AI revolution in agriculture. Advanced robots equipped with AI capabilities can perform labor-intensive tasks such as planting, weeding, and harvesting with high precision and efficiency. Automated machinery reduces the reliance on manual labor, addresses labor shortages, and increases operational efficiency. From autonomous tractors to robotic harvesters, AI-driven automation is reshaping the agricultural landscape, making farming more efficient and scalable. 5. Drones in agriculture, aerial surveillance and spraying. Drones equipped with AI and advanced sensors are becoming invaluable tools for modern farmers. These aerial vehicles provide high-resolution images and real-time data on crop health, soil conditions, and pest infestations. AI algorithms analyze this data to offer actionable insights, helping farmers make informed decisions. Additionally, drones are used for precise spraying of pesticides and fertilizers, ensuring even distribution and reducing chemical usage. The use of drones enhances surveillance, monitoring, and intervention capabilities, leading to better crop management. 6. Smart irrigation systems, water management with AI. Water is a critical resource in agriculture, and its efficient use is essential for sustainable farming. AI-powered smart irrigation systems optimize water usage by analyzing soil moisture levels, weather forecasts, and crop requirements. These systems automatically adjust irrigation schedules and volumes, ensuring crops receive the right amount of water at the right time. By reducing water wastage and preventing over-irrigation, AI-driven smart irrigation contributes to resource conservation and cost savings for farmers. 7. Soil health monitoring, AI-driven insights and recommendations. Maintaining healthy soil is fundamental to successful farming. AI technologies enable continuous monitoring and analysis of soil health through sensors and data analytics. These systems assess various soil parameters such as pH, nutrient levels, and moisture content. AI-driven insights guide farmers in soil management practices, including fertilization and crop rotation, to enhance soil fertility and structure. By promoting healthy soil, AI supports sustainable agriculture and improves long-term crop productivity. 8. Supply chain optimization. Streamlining farm-to-table. AI is revolutionizing the agricultural supply chain by enhancing efficiency and transparency from farm to table. AI-driven logistics and supply chain management systems optimize the movement of produce, reducing transit times and spoilage. Blockchain technology, integrated with AI, ensures traceability and authenticity of food products, boosting consumer confidence. By streamlining operations and reducing waste, AI contributes to a more efficient and resilient agricultural supply chain. 9. Sustainable farming practices. AI's role in environmental conservation. Sustainability is a key concern in modern agriculture, and AI plays a pivotal role in promoting environmentally friendly practices. AI systems help farmers adopt sustainable methods such as precision agriculture, reduced chemical usage, and efficient water management. By analyzing environmental data, AI can recommend practices that minimize carbon footprints and protect biodiversity. Through sustainable farming practices, AI supports the global effort to combat climate change and ensure food security for future generations. 10. Challenges and future prospects. The road ahead for AI in agriculture. While the benefits of AI in agriculture are immense, there are challenges to its widespread adoption. High costs of technology, lack of technical expertise, and concerns over data privacy and security are significant barriers. Additionally, smallholder farmers in developing regions may struggle to access and implement AI solutions. Despite these challenges, the future prospects of AI in agriculture are promising. Continued advancements in AI technology, coupled with supporting policies and initiatives, will drive the transformation of agriculture, making it more efficient, sustainable, and resilient. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.